The increasing presence of microplastics in the human body is raising serious concerns among scientists, who are now finding these tiny particles in the brain, liver, reproductive organs, and even in unborn fetuses. While the long-term health effects remain uncertain, early research suggests potential risks ranging from inflammation to disruptions in cellular function. With microplastics now unavoidable in our environment, researchers are offering practical steps to minimize exposure and protect overall health. One of the most effective ways to reduce microplastic intake is by limiting the use of plastic containers, particularly for food and beverages. Plastic bottles, when exposed to heat or long storage periods, can shed microplastics into drinking water. Opting for stainless steel or glass containers can significantly lower the number of plastic particles consumed daily. Similarly, microwaving food in plastic containers should be avoided, as heat can cause plastic to break down and release microscopic particles into food. Ceramic or glass dishes provide a safer alternative. Tea drinkers should also be mindful of their choices. Many commercial tea bags, especially those with a silky or mesh-like texture, contain plastic fibers that release microplastics into hot water. Switching to loose-leaf tea or tea bags made from natural, biodegradable materials can help reduce exposure. Likewise, choosing unprocessed foods over prepackaged or plastic-wrapped products can lower the ingestion of microplastics that leach from packaging materials. Another overlooked source of microplastics is the air we breathe. Synthetic fibers from clothing, upholstery, and carpets contribute to airborne particles that can be inhaled. Using an air purifier, vacuuming with a HEPA filter, and choosing natural fabrics like cotton, wool, or linen over synthetic materials can help minimize exposure. Additionally, drinking filtered tap water rather than bottled water reduces intake, as studies have shown bottled water often contains significantly more microplastics than tap water. Despite the widespread presence of microplastics, there is a growing awareness of the issue, leading to increased efforts in research and regulation. Scientists are not only studying the long-term health impacts, but also exploring innovative ways to reduce microplastic pollution at the source. Some countries are taking steps to ban certain plastic products, and industries are developing biodegradable alternatives to conventional plastics. While completely eliminating exposure is nearly impossible, making small, mindful changes in daily habits can contribute to a meaningful reduction in microplastic intake. The discovery of rising microplastic levels in human tissues is a clear warning that these particles are infiltrating the body in ways we are only beginning to understand. However, the growing body of research also provides valuable insights into how individuals can take control of their exposure. By making conscious choices, such as avoiding plastic containers, choosing natural materials, and filtering drinking water, it is possible to reduce the risk and protect long-term health. Scientists emphasize that while microplastics may be unavoidable in modern life, awareness and proactive measures can significantly limit their impact.